Hola familia, how are you? So today I thought I would share with you the stock that I prepared to make paella. We buy from Woolies arroz chicken kind of like almost every week, definitely every second week, just to get the chicken and make sandwiches or just to have it really with some veggies. What we find is that sometimes we will just eat the breast and nothing else. So I love using the rest to make a really nice flavorful stock that I could then use with paella. So I'm going to show you what I put in it, and yeah, I hope it is useful. The next thing I will do is actually to make a paella with this stock. I'll show you what I normally do. There are actually various ways in which I make paella, but I'll just show you the kind of classic paella we make here every second Sunday, which the boys love, we all love. So I hope you find it useful. In my stock, like I said, I do have at the bottom all the rest of roast chicken that we really don't use, and I would be putting generally some celery if I have it. Actually, if I don't have it, I just don't put it. I put carrots, which these are from our garden. When I have a lot of carrots, I literally just freeze them and I leave them, some of them depending on how big they are, if they are not really tender anymore, and I just leave them to make things like a stock because they just give you the flavor, and I can then discard them or put them in the compost. We have some parsley. As you can tell, I put lots of parsley. We love parsley. Some peppercorns, some onion. I would generally put tomato, but I don't have tomato today, so no tomato. Otherwise I would get a tomato, cut it in half, put it in there. And another thing I have in the garden also from our garden, which I love using for stocks, is these beets from leek. So, and this will be here probably from last year actually. But yeah, I just love having this because leek gives such beautiful flavor to stocks. So I'll put some of those. I will now cover this with water and I will leave this simmering for about an hour definitely, and then once I see it has this beautiful color of like chicken stock, I will then put this through the sieve and I will have a beautiful clear stock that I will be using for paella. You can obviously use this for any other dish that needs some nice chicken stock. So yeah, I'll show you later how this will look once it has all been made, how I store it as well. Sometimes I actually even cook this. I will put it in one of these bags flat and I will freeze it for when I need the chicken stock. I just really like using the chicken that is left. I don't like putting that in the bin because that still has a lot of flavor. I would put it in the compost, but still. So yeah, I hope you find this useful. For the chicken stock, one of the things that I do like doing, I find it really handy, is actually to boil the water and just put boiling water from the kettle straight into the stock, just to kind of speed things up a little bit. So I will start with this. I'll put a little bit more in a little bit once I get the next lot of water ready. And yeah, get that on the go.